Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video on Affiliate Marketing for Beginners 2021. So what I want to do in this video is to show you how to get started the right way in affiliate marketing if you are a beginner. Now there's a lot of information online on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, talking about how to get started with affiliate marketing. And a lot of things that they talk about are things that were probably good to do 5 years ago, but they're not that good to do now. So I'm going to show you exactly what it takes to be successful in affiliate marketing and do it as a beginner. Okay, so what I have on my screen here is what's called a sales funnel system. All right, you need a sales funnel system if you want to do affiliate marketing the right way. Okay, so the first part of the sales funnel system is traffic. You need traffic, which are people to see your affiliate marketing offer. Okay, so traffic can come from a variety of places. So let me just put on here some of the places where you can get traffic. We're talking Facebook, and these can be Facebook ads or using your Facebook profile to generate leads for your affiliate offer. Then we have Google ads, YouTube ads, Bing ads, or Microsoft advertising. And I don't want to go too far here. Let me stretch this out here. Okay, and then there's Instagram ads and on your Instagram profile. And then there's not just YouTube ads, but you can just create YouTube videos on your own YouTube account for free to generate leads for your business, for your opportunity, or for whatever affiliate offer you're promoting. These are just some of the ways that you can promote your affiliate offer in order to generate leads to see your offer, people to see your offer. Okay, so what do you do when you use one of these traffic methods? Well, what you do is that you send these people to what's called a lead capture page. Now, a lead capture page is just a page that has like an enticing headline that generates curiosity in the person viewing that page. So if they want to get more information about that particular affiliate offer that you're promoting, they're going to put in their email address to get more information about that. Okay, so that's the whole purpose of the lead capture page. It's also called a squeeze page. It's also called an opt-in page. The only focus of this page is to get the email address of the people who you drive to that page. Okay, now there are two things that happens once they put in their email address on this lead capture page. Two things are going to happen. The first thing is that they're going to go to what's called a video sales letter. Now this is provided by whatever affiliate company you're with. They'll have a video sales letter that will do the selling and telling about that product or service that you're promoting. Okay, and the second thing that's going to happen is that once you have their email address of these leads, they're going to go on what's called an email list. And this is your email list that you build yourself using what's called an email autoresponder. Now there's several popular ones out there. There's Aweber, there's GetResponse, there's SendLane. I personally use GetResponse. I did use Aweber, but they can get a little strict when it comes to certain affiliate offers. So I switched to GetResponse, and I have great results with them. Okay, so you can use any of those email autoresponders to build your email list. Now, why would you want to build an email list? This is one of the reasons why a lot of new affiliate marketers end up failing in affiliate marketing because they fail to build their own email list from the leads that they generate from the traffic that they send to their lead capture page. And here is why. Now, let's say that you get 100 people to the lead capture page, okay? 100 people who put in their email address who become leads for your offer, okay? Those 100 people, they end up on your email list. And they also go to the video sales letter, okay? Now, here's what really happens here at this point. 99%, even 100% of those people are not going to purchase whatever is being sold at this stage of the video sales letter right here, okay? They're not going to buy anything because this is their first time seeing this offer. It's their first exposure to this particular offer. So they're not going to make a buying decision right then and there. That's why it's important to build an email list so that you can follow up with those leads and redirect them back to the video sales letter so they can be exposed to your offer over and over and over again. Because in this day and age, it could take 8, 10, 12, 15 times before somebody decides to make a decision to purchase that product or service or to join that business opportunity that you're promoting. Okay, so you want to be able to send what are called follow-up emails, and these are the follow-up emails right here. These are the follow-up emails. Okay, and it could be a series of 3 emails, 7 emails, 8 emails, 10 emails, whatever. And the whole purpose of these follow-up emails that are sent out once a day to your leads is to redirect them back to the video sales letter right here so they can get exposed to your offer more, and it'll help them to make that decision to either join you in your business opportunity or to purchase whatever product or service you're promoting. Okay, and then of course they go to the order page in order to place their order or to sign up. Now, another thing that new affiliate marketers fail to realize, because they haven't been told this, is that you want to promote more than just one thing. You want to have like multiple streams of income in your offer. Okay, you can have like a low ticket product or service or low ticket opportunity on the front end, so you can make some of that money back from, if you're placing ads, if you're doing paid traffic, it'll help to bring in some money in order to offset those costs. But you also want to have something on the back end that's higher ticket, a higher ticket product where you can make higher ticket commissions. We're talking $100, $500, $1,000 and more in commissions that you can earn on the back end of your sales funnel system. And a lot of new marketers, when they get involved, they only have that one product to promote where they're earning maybe a $20, $30 commission, and then that's all they make. And if they're using paid traffic in order to get leads, in order to generate the leads and follow up with them and everything, 9 times out of 10 they're not going to be able to make back the money that they spent on paid traffic, because they're only getting $20 or $30 commissions from promoting one single product. So you need to be able to promote more than just one product. You need to have some additional higher ticket, higher priced products on the back end so you can make a profit. I mean, that's the whole purpose of being in business, is to make a profit. And if you're not making a profit and you're just spending money on ads and you're only getting back, maybe you spend $100 on ads, you get maybe $20 back, you're not making a profit, you might as well not be in business. So that's the other thing that new affiliate marketers need to be aware of, is that you need some higher ticket, higher priced products on the back end that you can earn commissions of $100, $200, $500, $1,000 or more in order to have a good enough profit in your business so you can scale up your business scale up your business, put more money into ads, make even more money on the back end, scale it up to where you're making 5 figures a month. So that's the whole purpose of this sales funnel system that I have here on this drawing here, is that you have your main income stream, your main product or service, where you're earning maybe, a low ticket, $50 or less, okay, on the front end. But then this sales funnel system with this first income stream also promotes these higher ticket products on the back end, so you can make even more money. All right. So, you can go out there and try to find all of these different products to promote on your own, but you don't know which products to promote. You don't know which ones are going to be high ticket. You don't know how to structure your sales funnel system in order to promote these other products on the back end. So what I do is that I use a sales funnel system that's already created for me that promotes 4 different income streams. And I can earn multiple streams of income, making commissions from all of those just by promoting the sales funnel system itself. So if you are looking for a way to make those type of commissions where you're earning hundreds and even thousands of dollars in commissions from just promoting one simple system, then I invite you to take a look at what I'm offering. You'll find the link for that. It'll be the first link below this video in the description area. And what I'm promoting is called the multiple income funnel. This is a sales funnel system that is designed just like this. A sales funnel system that has 4 different income streams inside of it. And the income streams inside are completely optional. You don't have to purchase all of those income streams. You don't have to join them all. You can pick and choose which ones you want to join based on your budget, okay? But it promotes 4 different income streams where you can earn those type of commissions of $100, $500, $1,000, up to $3,000 in commissions. It all depends on which income streams you join and at what levels and stuff like that. But based on whatever your budget is, you can pick and choose whichever income streams you want to join. So if you get this multiple income funnel itself is the first income stream where you earn $20 monthly residual commissions. Okay, so the cost for this is $49 per month. But again, you can earn $20 per month residual commissions when someone uses your affiliate link for this system to join it, and they stay with the system for as long as they can. If they stay with the system for months, you're going to be receiving $20 per month commissions from that person, okay, for as long as they stay with the multiple income funnel system. So the other parts of this sales funnel system, when I talk about the email list, the follow-up emails, the video sales letter, the lead capture page, the traffic, all of that is included in this system. Okay, you don't need your own email autoresponder if you don't have one right now. This system will send out daily email follow-ups to your leads on your behalf in order to help convert some of those leads into sales for you. Okay. And when you go to the links tab, it's going to have those lead capture pages that you can use in order to drive traffic to it and generate those leads. So now you may be wondering, well, what kind of traffic should I be sending to this sales funnel system? Do I use Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, Bing ads? Well, there is a traffic source already built in with this system, and that traffic source is income stream number 4. It's the 4th income stream. It's called Traffic Authority. You can buy traffic from this traffic source and send your traffic to one of those lead capture page links. That's your affiliate link, and it'll generate leads for you. Okay, and once those leads are generated, then this system will start sending out those email follow-ups to your leads. So everything's included here. You don't need your own website. You don't need your own email autoresponder. You don't need to go searching and trying to find different products and services to promote. They're already within the system, and this system is designed to do the selling and telling for you. Your only job is to drive traffic to this system. Okay? Now, what if you don't have money for traffic? What if you're on a tight budget? Don't worry about that, because under the resources section, we have training. And under training, we have ways for you to generate leads by using social media. Okay? Using your free Facebook profile, your free Instagram profile, using YouTube videos, all of that. Okay, we have this weekly multiple income funnel training call, and it's done every Monday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and there's a lot of training regarding how to promote your business. Okay, if I scroll down here, this second training we had on May 31st is all about Facebook and social media marketing. You'll find out about that. If you want to get advanced strategies on email marketing, we have training on that. And then we have some of our top earners who are crushing it inside of multiple income funnel. You'll find out what they're doing in order to be successful in multiple income funnel. We also have training on conversions. We also have a private Facebook group where you can join. You join it under step 1 of the multiple income funnel. You just watch the short video and then you join the private Facebook group. If you have any questions, you can ask your question inside the group. There's plenty of people there to answer your questions. I'm in that group every day helping people and answering their questions. We have a daily wake-up call every morning at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, where there's updates given and also other tips and strategies to help you to succeed in your business. So if you decide to join the multiple income funnel by clicking the very first link below this video in the description area, when you join, I'll send you an email with some additional steps on how you can get started, some additional traffic resources that I use in my business, that might be a little bit more affordable for you. And I also have some other things that will help you, like a getting started video that shows you exactly what to do when you log into your system for the very first time. So go ahead, click that very first link below this video in the description area to get started with the multiple income funnel. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video on Affiliate Marketing for Beginners 2021. Talk to you soon.